Hey, Saturday the 25th of April 2009.
Had a few problems with the thing, taking out the pot. Damages. So,
We've got some added nail stuff. Added nails.
we're going to see if we can fix it. Stuff works. That was nice to get out of the tube. So I got loads of it. I'm not sure if that 2-in-1 mix is any good though. Very grippy stuff. Some on the side as well. I haven't used this before, so it's tough to get out the tube. And then when we've done that, we'll make a little bit of cement in there. It's dry tomorrow. The gaps. Experiments. Suddenly work, suddenly don't. And all that's an illusion, so it don't really matter. Put my vids on YouTube and nobody's got any good thing. What are you going to do to get a million views on that thing? Does it do what it says on the tip? Hoping to get painted up sometime. Inside it definitely doesn't matter. That's the textured skin look.
me with that a moment, I'm just telling you. It's got bits to the other side. Also got one of these come off. I suppose the others will come off as well. Sometime or other. We'll have to figure that one out. Like this. See what it takes to scoop it later. And then we got these bits here. Doing time-wise. Nope. Crying over spilt milk.